Yes, and before we start, I again saw a video, the one you put
Yeah.
me on your channel, Suji Talks. I saw that. I was
Yes, I uploaded today morning or yesterday morning, I think.
Yeah, I saw it yesterday. So you must have uploaded it yesterday morning.
Yes, thanks for watching.
No worries, no worries, no worries. Okay, Lakshmi. So now, okay, so today, obviously, I won't be asking you to introduce yourself. You have given me that twice, and I have, I just know it right. I know you love. Last time you told me you love gardening. So any hobby
Yes,
that you want to add this time? Any new hobby?
any hobby, traveling. I love traveling.
Yeah,
So
you're a traveler. Yeah, please continue.
I love to visit new places. And if I like one place, I will visit more times, more than one time. If I don't like that particular place, I never visit. So I love traveling.
Okay, so what's that place? What's that place that you visited more than once and you liked it very much?
More than once in Hyderabad.
Mm-hmm.
I had visited Charminar and Golconda Fort. So, do you know about Hyderabad?
Yeah, I've got a rough idea.
Okay.
Yeah, the most of the things that I know about Hyderabad are because of the South Indian movies. I told you in my first session that I'm a
Yes,
big
yes.
fan of South Indian movies. Yes, and even yesterday only I saw the trailer for the movie RRR.
Yes, Triple
You
R
see it?
release. Yeah, I saw a trailer and it was amazing, just amazing, unbelievable. And even I also feel very shocked. This is a Tollywood industry movie making and
Exactly.
people.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, please continue, continue.
No, nothing.
Even I was shocked. Like in the last time, I guess around 4 to 5 years back, since the time of Bahubali, the standard had really, standard had really gone up. Like I saw the trailer
Yes,
yesterday, all the side effects, and obviously Junior NTR, Ram Charan, both of them were really good.
yes.
And I'm
I
definitely going to watch
definitely
the movie.
this movie will rocks on pan over India.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. I've noticed this lately that nowadays people are really turning towards the South Indian movies. In fact, I'll tell you that people not only from North India, even from the eastern part of India, from the northeastern states, even from Bihar and all, people have really gone fond of the South Indian movies. And yeah,
So,
and my family is also a fan of the movie, South Indian movies. I told you
yeah,
last night.
last time you told me.
Yeah, very well, very well. So we were talking about Hyderabad and about the places. Lakshmi, I've heard about Golconda Fort, but I don't know anything, much about it. So why don't you tell me something about it, Golconda Fort, or any other monument that you feel you can tell me about?
Okay, even I also don't know about that full details, but
Mm-hmm.
I like to share my experience.
Of course.
Um, I saw Golconda Fort more than 3 times or 4 times, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Every time whenever I went to Golconda Fort, I feel like very fresh and big forts and I like olden days. I mean olden days places because I love to observe how strong and design architecture
Yes.
is. And yeah, and I saw a lot of foreigners, people, and yeah, that's it.
That's really fun. That point that you told me about architecture and all, even I love it very much. So I'm a fan of these things, about the ancient things, how were these built,
Yeah,
during
it's
time, such level of precision. It's really great. Okay, so Lakshmi,
still
please continue. Yeah, yeah.
still they are strong forts and still they are looking very new forts. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly,
Uh,
exactly. And South India is just, the whole of the South India, whether it's Karnataka or it's, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, or any of the state, they are full with these things. That, these things are a lot in number, whether it is temples or forts and all. Yeah, that's
yeah.
really great. A
Yes.
question just clicked my mind. So, let's say, okay. I'll just take. Okay, the question goes as follows: if I am new to South India, I've never been there, and you want me to come there, obviously. So, what are the 5 places that you would suggest that I should visit and just
Okay.
fall in love with them?
Yeah, okay. Definitely you will visit Tirumala Devasthanam in Andhra Pradesh. It's famous temple, Tirupati.
Tirupati
And
Balaji.
city of destiny called Vizag. Vizag is a beautiful city.
Vizag, I
And
know.
yeah, and Hyderabad, obviously
Yes.
Hyderabad is famous. And South India, that only I know.
2 more. I need 2 more. Come on, you can think of it.
Two more. Yeah, in Andhra Pradesh, Nellore is one of the famous city because famous for fish curry. I don't know how
Okay.
to say fish curry is famous on Nellore
Okay.
district.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nellore district is known for fish curry. It's fish curry.
yeah.
You can.
Do you know this point?
No, no, I don't actually. I don't know. I'm just. You told me now that you don't know how to say it, so I was just correcting it.
Okay, okay.
I'm a vegetarian actually, so I won't be able to taste it anyways.
I thought you know about these places very well.
No, I don't know about it that much, but obviously I've heard the names. I've heard a few things about them. But it's really a dream. I do want to visit South India at least once in my life, and I'm trying to do that in next year only.
Okay. Even frankly speaking, even I'm very weak in social subjects, economics, histories. I hate social. Even I don't know full names of South India, which places are or South India, which places are North India. But recently, I love to saw a lot of travel videos. So travel videos makes me so high and makes me some knowledgeable person about places or social information.
Exactly, exactly. And I know that you love traveling. You're a YouTuber, so obviously you must have watched a lot of travel videos.
Yeah.
Okay. You see anything about the mountains, the north of the India? Do you love that
Mount
traveling?
Ladakh is my favorite place. I'm
Okay,
eagerly
Ladakh.
waiting to visit Ladakh on
Ladakh.
winter season.
It's Ladakh.
Ladakh. Ladakh.
Ladakh.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. I never seen mountains, any mountains.
Okay, then you really need to go there. Anywhere, whether it's Uttarakhand, Himachal, obviously Jammu. You must visit it at least once. I have gone there once, and it was a really beautiful experience. I must say that.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, Lakshmi. So
Skydiving, sky hiding. I don't know. Sky
it's skydiving.
skydiving.
Okay, you done it or you want to do it?
Oh, I want to do it.
Okay,
I
okay.
want
So you're,
it.
yeah, please.
I want to do it eagerly. I'm waiting for that chance, but I don't know how it came to my life.
Okay, so you're not afraid of the heights?
No.
No. Okay, no issues. You will do it, right? Okay,
Yeah,
I've heard.
definitely will
Yeah,
do
there are
it.
a lot of places in India where you can do that. So yeah, definitely even I want to do it someday. Skydiving, who doesn't want to do that?
But sometimes it feels like very risk to soft-hearted persons. Even I'm also soft-hearted person, but I want to know that special dare feels special thrill.
Okay, that's that. What did you say? Can you say that again? It was very nice.
I
Special day,
want to special
special thrill.
thrill. Yeah,
Yeah, that's nice. I'll just write it down. I can use it somewhere. Special day, special thrill. Okay, that's good.
thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Anyway, so Acha, I wanted to ask you something. Have you ever done swimming? Do you know how to swim?
I know how to swim, but I never do swimming. In past, I went to waterfalls, but uh, in that time I tried, but not possible. I don't know.
Okay, so
Practice, practice. I think.
lack of practice. So you've done it in swimming pool, I guess.
Yes.
Okay, so you have never done swimming in any real environment like a lake or something.
No.
Okay,
No.
you know, I went to the Rishikesh once. Rishikesh, I think you must be knowing.
Yeah.
So my whole family was there with me. So we were on the bank of Ganga River, and the Ganga River is, I think it was obviously it was in the summers only. So we were on the banks of the river, and it was just flowing too fast. And I tried to swim a bit, and I just stopped right then and there. Even though I'm a good swimmer, I know swimming, but it was a really nice experience. So you should try swimming once, at least once, in a real environment. For example, a lake or something. Try to do that. Yeah,
I saw one video on YouTube about Rishikesh place. So it's a very wonderful place. They are all my bucket list places.
definitely.
Whenever I saw about particular places, videos, definitely I will save on my gallery or some visit list.
Definitely, you should. When you visit these type of places, you get a sense of calmness in your mind. You feel
Yes.
quite calm. So, Lakshmi, I'm not able to see you. I guess your videos just stopped right there.
No, I am able to see you.
You're fine. You're good now.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So make sure you do that. It's really interesting.
Thank you. Yeah, sure. Definitely.
Yeah, Lakshmi, actually, I wanted to ask you something. There's a friend of mine. He was asking me regarding YouTube. So he wants to start a channel of his own. So now I just recalled that you have a channel of your own. So why don't you tell me something about, I should tell him that he can keep
You
in mind before starting a channel.
okay? Actually, yeah, it's very easy process to start a YouTube channel, but some rules are there, some guidelines are there.